Before we start, let's get one thing straight. Not all SUVs are created equal. Some look amazing on the lot, some sell like hotcakes, some get featured in every magazine and YouTube review. But longevity isn't about looks, popularity, or horsepower. It's about what fails first, what keeps mechanics busy, and what leaves owners stranded on a weekend trip. After consulting mechanics with 20 to 40 years of experience, reviewing Consumer Reports' long-term reliability studies and analyzing fleet maintenance data, we've identified 5 SUVs that consistently cause headaches. The vehicles mechanics rarely recommend for long-term ownership. These are your mechanics' nightmare SUVs. Number 5, Jeep Grand Cherokee Luxury and Tech, with a hidden price. The Grand Cherokee is flashy and packed with tech, but past 80 to 100,000 miles, it starts breaking down unpredictably. Mechanical failures. Air suspension, shocks, and compressors fail repeatedly. Transfer case issues in A, W, D models. Transmission solenoid and valve body failures in Z, F, 8-speed electrical nightmares. Infotainment freezes, sensors fail. Trigger false warnings. Random dashboard lights appear. Ownership reality, expensive repairs, labor-intensive fixes, resale value drops fast. Mechanics insight. The Grand Cherokee is fun at first, but after a decade, it's mostly frustration and bills. Trade-off. Short-term thrill versus long-term reliability. You choose. Number 4, BMW X5 German Precision until it ages. The BMW X5 is elegant, fast, and handles like a sports car. But the moment you cross 80 to 100,000 miles, issues multiply. Common long-term problems. Turbocharged engines develop carbon buildup, timing chain wear, electronics fail, iDrive, sensors, adaptive cruise, air suspension shocks and compressors often need full replacement. Consumer Reports and mechanics data. Reliability drops sharply after warranty repair costs are extremely high. Owners report repeated trips to the shop. Mechanics insight. The X5 is a joy to drive new, but once it ages, it becomes a money pit. Trade-off. Luxury and performance now, endless maintenance later. Number 3, Land Rover Discovery Adventure SUV. With a fragile heart, Land Rover promises off-road supremacy and delivers, initially, past 50,000 miles. Reality hits hard. Long-term pitfalls, air suspension failures, shocks and compressors fail frequently. Supercharged engines prone to leaks and overheating, electrical system issues everywhere. Infotainment, windows, sensors, ownership reality, maintenance costs skyrocket after warranty. Reliability is below average. Unexpected breakdowns are common. Mechanics insight. Every Discovery over 100,000 miles has at least one major repair pending. Trade-off. Short-term adventure versus constant repair headaches. Number 2, Chevrolet Traverse family SUV, but a repair magnet. The Traverse is spacious and affordable, perfect for families, but longevity suffers. Known long-term issues: 3.6-liter V6 engines develop intake valve issues, and timing chain stretch CVT/9-speed transmissions have premature failures in early models. Electrical systems frequently fail. Sensors, infotainment, Consumer Reports data. Reliability dips sharply after 120,000 miles. Expensive repairs required. Mechanics often see repeated failures. Trade-off. Space and comfort now, major maintenance later. Mechanics insight. Great for 5 to 8 years, but not built for 150,000 miles plus. Number 1, Ford Explorer, America's favorite, with hidden costs. The Explorer is America's top-selling SUV, and that's part of the problem. Why it fails long-term: EcoBoost engines prone to carbon buildup, turbo failure, timing chain wear by 100 to 120,000 miles, electrical gremlins. Sensors, infotainment, climate controls fail repeatedly. Suspension and steering components wear prematurely. Mechanics insight. The Explorer is deceptively simple at first, but it becomes a constant repair project. Consumer Reports data. Reliability drops sharply after 80 to 100,000 miles, especially turbo models. Trade-off. Popularity and brand recognition now, expensive repairs later. All 5 SUVs share common traits. Turbocharged engines or over-engineered components leads to high stress, early failures. Excessive electronics leads to gremlins that multiply over time. Complex suspensions, costly air/adaptive shocks, luxury or tech-first design, neglects long-term durability. Mechanics know if you plan to keep your SUV past 150,000 miles, these are the ones to avoid entirely. They may look great on the lot, but by 100 to 150,000 miles, they're a repair nightmare. Call to action. Before your next SUV purchase, ask yourself, are you buying for flash and features today or for reliability 150,000 plus miles down the road? Drop your honest answer in the comments. Every comment is read.